everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you how to introduce yourself in Mandarin. Okay, so first one, let's say my name is 我的 my 我 it's I 的 is a possession s, so 我的 it turns to my, and that name is 名字 so 名 is like you're like asking the question, so like 名 rising up, rising your voice, so 我的名字 and then my name is, the is in Chinese it is 是 it's a fourth tone, that would be 是 so 我的名字是 and then you can say your name. My name is Michelle, so 我的名字是 Michelle. 你的名字 well again the subject's always in the beginning, your name. 你的名字 your name 是什么 is what. Okay, put what in the place that you normally say Michelle. So that will be my name is Michelle, and then that will be my name is what. Okay, so these two places is exactly the same. You just get rid of the Michelle and swap it into the what, which is 什么. Okay, so let's try another one. We have one word is called to be called. It's a verb. They call me Michelle. So this word to be called, it is 叫 So there comes two ways that we can say it's a short version. Just say I am Michelle or I am to be called Michelle, and that would be 我是 Michelle first way, and then 我叫 Michelle. Okay, so 是 and 叫 you choose one out of the two, then it will be perfect for you to use. So 我是 Michelle, good. 我叫 Michelle, also good. Okay, so that will be the introduce yourself part 1 about what is your name and how to answer to this question. Okay, so next time we will talk about how to say your age and how to introduce your family members. So see you next time. Bye bye.